squishy hand, the bubbles start to grow. A fluffy, puffy mountain range of whiteness, don't you know? I put my little rubber duck, his bright and sunny beak, right on the highest bubble peak, a mountain tall and weak. He slides right down the soapy side and lands into the foam. He quacks a tiny thank you from his new and sudsy home. My little blue toy submarine begins to dive and spin. It chases all the pepper dots and pulls the bubbles in. It surfaces right by the duck with a quiet whirring sound. A friendly fleet of bath time friends together, safe and sound. The water gurgles down the drain, a glug-glug-gluggy too.